All right, let's talk about one of the most important technologies that's quietly running our world.
Well, it all comes down to how they handle just massive amounts of data. So what's their secret?
So picture this, a local shopkeeper with an old paper register. For a few customers it works, right?
But what happens when you have millions of customers? Yeah, that paper register just won't cut it.
Okay, first, let's get something straight. Data is just raw facts. Information, that's when it gets organized.
And that's exactly where a database comes in. Think of it as a super organized digital filing cabinet.
So you've got this amazing digital cabinet, but how do you actually get anything out of it? That's where the DBMS comes in, the Database Management System. It's the software that manages everything. Its main jobs are simple: create, retrieve, update, and manage all that important data.
You've probably heard of some of these, right? They're the powerhouses behind so many apps you use daily.
Believe it or not, you're using a DBMS dozens of times a day without even thinking about it. Banking, social media, airline tickets, university records. Yeah, they're literally everywhere, working in the background.
You check your bank balance. That's a database fetching your info securely and instantly just for you.
And all those billions of photos on Instagram? A DBMS is what makes that whole thing possible.
So why is this so much better than just, storing data in separate files?
Well, the old way had a huge problem: data redundancy. That means tons of extra copies everywhere. A DBMS fixes that and a whole lot more. Let's quickly run through the key advantages.
First off, it cuts down on those extra copies by creating one single source of truth.
It also ramps up security, letting only authorized people in. Super important for keeping your data safe. And what if something goes wrong? A good DBMS has got you covered with automatic backup and recovery.
So you see, from your social feed to your bank account, a DBMS is the unsung hero.
So I'll just leave you with this. What would one single day without databases actually look like?